there it is. Got everything kind of tied together. We also had backsplash happening at the same time as we did have this project. We've got some different white paint, different sheen and different white color on the ceiling. Oh, we got this light too. Got the old. I got some LED can light replacements. They're very thin, and you can select your Kelvin light temperature on the back. So at any time you can just slip these down and move from like 2000 or so, like a real red, warm yellow, all the way up to like a bluish white and anything in between. So they had that flexibility now, and those were a nice inexpensive alternative to LED bulbs. They just replaced the whole fixture, but got everything blended. Whoa, garbage can back where it belongs, and touch-ups and stuff, sort of. Still got to paint this door, but there's a lot of ongoing things here. That shadow's just from the cabinets. I actually have a pretty good blend job, but I'm pleased with this, and far more contemporary than that old Soffit box. And this is something that would go a lot quicker if you don't run into any surprises up here like we did, but or anywhere. Anyway, it really came together. Looks great. And we've got some other projects at this address coming up this year, I think, so stay tuned for those. All right, we'll see you. Thanks for watching.